Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I give you the notes from chapter 5, Federation as envisaged by the Government of India Act 1935, not the result of a compact. Article 248. No state excepting Kashmir can draw its own constitution. No right to cede but consent of a state is not required for allotting its boundaries by parliament. No equality of state representation status of Sikkim. So you can pause down the video and write down all the notes one by one. So friends, thank you. In the next video I will give you some other notes. Thank you.